Most health manuals suggest your biology only works one way, by pushing you toward absolute extremes. On one side, mainstream advice insists you need to eat 6 small meals or snacks throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. This graph shows the result of that constant grazing. Your blood sugar and insulin stay chronically elevated, and your body never drops into a state where it can reset. The opposing doctrine demands the exact opposite: strict daily fasting and a permanent ban on carbohydrates. Adopting either extreme indefinitely puts your body under constant strain, redlining your biological engine until your progress eventually stalls. To fix this, we have to look under the hood. Human metabolism functions less like a static machine and more like a hybrid engine. When you are always eating, your body is locked into processing energy, leaving zero downtime for essential cellular cleanup. Conversely, fasting every single day traps your body in a state of permanent breakdown, which can eventually disrupt your hormones. Building long-term vitality requires a different paradigm, one called Cyclic Metabolic Switching. Health is found in the rhythm of the cycle, focusing on the deliberate transition between eating and fasting, rather than choosing one side forever. We can see why this cycle matters by looking at the environment of a single cell as the body enters a fasting state. When you drop your carbohydrate intake, you forcefully lower the amount of insulin circulating in your bloodstream. This low insulin environment triggers ketosis. While often discussed as a weight loss tool, ketosis is actually a deliberate cellular stressor. That stress activates your cellular janitors through a process called autophagy. These pathways hunt down and dissolve damaged cellular waste. This process clears out debris, stimulates DNA repair, and activates proteins known to protect against the effects of aging. This breakdown phase is a vital repair mechanism, but it is a state of high stress for the cell. This leads to a critical question. Should we keep these high-stress repair pathways stimulated 24 hours a day? Just as you need recovery after a grueling workout to actually build muscle, your cells require a growth phase to benefit from the stress of fasting. When you refeed with healthy carbohydrates and proteins, you signal to your system that the period of stress has ended. The subsequent insulin spike serves a specific biological purpose. In this context, insulin functions as a vital growth hormone. Insulin activates a master regulator called mTOR. This pathway halts the breakdown process and commands the cell to begin protein synthesis and growth. The power of this system lies in the oscillation. You stress the cell to trigger an adaptation, and then you allow it to rest so it can grow. Translating this cellular theory into your daily life requires a practical routine. The most effective application of this theory is a protocol known as carb cycling. You spend the majority of your week low carb or in ketosis, ensuring your cells have enough time to complete their cleanup. To force the metabolic switch into the growth phase, you integrate exactly one strategic carbohydrate refeed day per week. This refeed requires specific fuels to be effective. You choose slow-digesting, whole food carbohydrates like sweet potatoes and berries. This routine pushes your body out of a static state, actively stimulating both metabolic adaptation and necessary cellular growth. Protecting your metabolism means backing off the intensity and allowing your system to recover rather than redlining it with aggressive daily fasting. Taking charge of your health means actively maintaining the delicate balance between these internal states of breakdown and growth. Evaluate your current routine. If you are fasting every single day without a break, you may be missing the growth side of the equation. If this look into cellular biology helped you rethink your routine, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments if you are going to start implementing cyclic metabolic switching. Take command of your biology for ultimate long-term vitality. I'll see you in the next video.